jealousy people then go Congo South, you name. Come out for you for nothing. You do good anyhow, jealousy people then go Congo South, you name. Come out for you for nothing. You do good anyhow, jealousy people then go Congo South, you name. Come out for you for nothing.
You touch here, you losses. You touch here, you damn. You touch here, you the guess. Araman no. Esclavage where we répète de Congo Mangamba. For Sarako, à l'époque, don't begin corriger them. De gauche à droite, with the cancan attentat de Paris, New York, Turkey, États-Unis de l'Amérique. God don't turn back for them. Ah yes, Singa Fongola don't take with true like a footman. Look chop chair for Sonel. Then comment we can for coupure de lumière, le que Jackie Chan, manga dem descantanga routière. On a chargé de forêt en son. Dem c'est la lumière, la pluie, le soleil n'est pas un obstacle pour un homme en tenue. Génération Chelongo contre génération Android. Fombe Denis Manfo Motumbo Eloko Nino Koluka o Mamwe Eloko Nino Koluka o Mamwe Sinatiro Suwa Mamu Orioma Nandaka Te Alibala o Mamu Nanda kote bala o mamwe citation à tuozuwa mamwe Mboko we forget diploma na one thing forget bolo na one thing Manoda tine Man must die Manoda tine So you rot for head like a fish Manoda tine Mama Forget Polo. Now one thing. If you know before. Le wanda français, quelle que soit la beauté de la main, la resterait lui l'esclave de town crier. Kobi ba fete benvite bele pi bilo konda kweskoni ba lu basuka wapi ponda pelatisa gardien. Bi amboyo na baby sakaboye. For those where they don't cable for don't team according to epileptica mendorism for America, for Belgium, for Holland, after America, for Russia, for Beijing, for this period they fight best pays for Dubai and even for Wirikum, Ndom Ngoki Tunja, Banso, Jakiri, Kambe, Batibo. Go reach right for China. I salute those who they don't beat now online. And I salute those who they see there now online immediately. I see how una day on for the watch. I salute una say na weekend this for we for Cameroon. And also for America, their own time they different for this one. But Papa God, he put all thing for this side, put the rest for that side. He know why he make this side of a dark because we be black people. All we sense now dark ages what we take for use. And I salute all the doctors them way that they try for instead kill we instead for the treatment will stay long. And I salute all the doctors them for the whole Africa where instead for them for tell the truth about corona they don't take and put our back pocket for make me ends meet push we show we where to fall. But except so we don't wise say injection before you want enter man body. He says it will check sense because Papa God, if they create, we put all thing for our skin. Create Africans, they put all thing. When we chop, only we chop so that we medicine. But we don't decide say one live like a white man who, that means say to Kendaki na fete bamboa is like na Pointe Noire. And don't forget those who are for that side from Ngata, where legal colleagues them of the other side, instead for them, for the judge, for make sure they reduce those who they never waiting trial with that judgment, they leave them for them because if they not pay them money, they not go judge the case. Although case for the today, they need the judge, not judge again. If you get contact with big people, then for before they, for judiciary, they feel work their work, not be say they practice law again for Africa, not they talk only for Cameroon, no, nationwide. Before I want to continue for start, I salute all those who they watch them now. Say no be na by force for watch town crier. If you know say I go talk thing wey go vex you, or you want me talk nothing wey you think, I no fit talk. I must only make sure say I pinch you, I make sure say me you feel the pains, or I push you, show you where to fall. For this way, everybody in a messenger, any man get his own saying. You know, must think say I must talk na your own. Jesus the only can do his own. When I see they say normally for this world, Papa God, it will create good people, it create bad people, it create everybody get the message. Now, why for this world, rich man day, poor man day? If be poor man, like you cry like wait, you will remain poor man, so that may respect be. If God be make all man be rich, respect never be. President never be. Politics never be because all man be rich. Any man be his own presidency for the side way day. Papa God be create this thing, say woman must be man day. So that when man begin get stress, he go move the stress for woman. When woman get stress, he go move for man begin. We don't take the thing change and like say now we want to recreate this world the way Papa God be creator. Anything where they talk for this program, I talk about the way where they feel and what you where they see. I know they talking about what you think and what you see. Because when they talk some man they comment, oh, the man government don't pay millions so before I see them for rent, I don't buy home jeep like 6. Get bodyguard. The drink foolery, minute by minute. So now so they born we. If you know say when this program, when I talk, I go touch and play where you want my tongue, I think will go please you. Just come out, go for another channel. Why you must watch the program? We're not the first no man for watch them, but by force you must watch them. I know they beg you. By force. And I'll continue to talk things where I think until what they see them. Many are coffee are choosing. Useless, monotonous nomenclatures. If you know say some program they way they worry where they talk, they must talk on their own. Better can talk. I don't tell when I say I get better chairs than for here. Quick chair, air conditioner. I beg ask me that chair again. Bring me small bottle of whiskey. Man, they drink. Nonsense. They talk say they treat the bitter. We will continue to put them for play with the bitter. They say bitter leaf and they cure high blood. And no sperm count. For people they don't confuse for go medicine. Anyway, that's why I be one tell when I say, hey, we know say the program. So if I touch some play where you want me just touch in a place, especially those amber in disguise where they use the Anglophone crisis for make their money. When they see play where solution will come, make people they live in peace. They need one time. They say struggle. Which struggle? To where? Until we reach Boya. Man, we then go get Tunja for 4 years, never reach Boya or capture one police station. When they want to say they go vex. Yes. Because one of capture military camps, military barracks, police barracks. Since for 4 years, we never capture even council barracks. I say council. Council police, we never council. We never capture everyone. We only capture our own people, they kidnap our own people in the name of capture. That will not be a war. Now indiscipline. Now why we're aiming for diaspora? In short, man, not even go far. We'll see them all today on Friday. We're not here waiting. Desmond, go downstairs, go see Mapu for give me Matango for 100. Matango 100, one fighter. So that man shake brain here. Today not today. So if you never connect, then contaminate your neighbor. Because for my media prime, we did like prime minister. We don't get no time. I don't tell you, they don't support for love some man. If they over love them, say make na medicine. For this life, man will hate you go day. Man will like you go day. Yes. They will not want like Jesus. We don't die. We not even made that very mistake for Jesus again. With the wise. Broke the collar. Call him the collar. Come on at 5 pieces. We give him for 5 people. Now Desmond Tutu, he hold him tired. His Excellency, Chief Senator Town Crier, now the sound nam. I say, anyway, I will come for that one after. You know, say Mba, they married today. You know what is about Musa Dio? Yes, Mba for wrong point. Mami restaurant. That's why I hear. I hear. Desmond Tutu today for the happy weekend first of all before one day start. They say Anglophone crisis palava lockdown now. It don't make even other amber generals. They not there for one mob. Chris Anu the only sleep for one man country say 4 days. 4 days. More than for 5 days. I'm saving church man no will go. They are not going to forget for the ask them question every day. Say, I hope say when they copy the ghost town for you, when I put the ghost town, when I for diaspora too, when I shit for our house for 4 days, when I not go work. Njong Mercy, because one man called in a time. If you not can work place 2 days, you'll be sacked with ED. Chris Ano, you say I sure say that 4 days, the ghost town where they talk, you say they should run for your house for 4 days, you make video for 4 days, how did they ask you for workplace, you know they can't work, only if you work too at all. Because for here, we only knock hate for finding thing for job. Even Amber, they say, well, they don't make mountain race with military them for bush, then get day 2 for rest, then these guys to come for town, can't drink, chop, find one woman, move stress. Even at the 4 days, I may say, Amber, they say they will run mountain race for 1 week, rest for 2 days, for 4 days, continue again, running. Then say, self, they vex. So another Amber woman for that side for diaspora, a Baba picking for back. He said, now which kind of stress this woman, I don't put Anglophones inside. For you all see him. He said, not correct. My owner said they cried the people waiting there for those villages. We for the one where they try some man fee borrow you 1,000, 10,000 for village. Before some man give you 5,000, you try, you not pay it back, you reach police station. We go back also for them for diaspora. Here waiting, their legal colleague of the other part of the country, and they talk concerning this palaver lockdown. They say for Limbe, me lockdown there for 4 days. Me there for Boya, and there for Kumba. But except so football, they continue to play for Limbe. That means when the lockdown start now, or when I lockdown people they inside house, because inside house they still watch the match for television. Or when I want corner the light, I don't understand. Or when I will take astronauts, me carry when I go for moon, when I go call satellite for up. Do you want to childishness again, not behaving the struggle? Hey, Mama, Baba, hope picking back for Baba, they picking well, me not forward down because of this struggle. Now, this why would I be give the name first say na struggle? Because anything says struggle. Now, more the manage. The name struggle, when I will change them. Put and say take them, when I don't take and see, when I put and I say struggle. Struggling. Struggle, na find name. If you just ask some guy, say, what do you do for life? I the struggle. You want to marry somebody else and say, boy, what do you do for life? I the struggle. Marry them, you chase the girl or even take it serious. Even knock window, no go be no talk of knock door. Now go put say Anglophone struggle. Struggle to 5 years. When I change the name, say Anglophone taking. Not even struggle, just take. Now take them. Madam, we hear you. Lockdown 4 days.
The fact that they decided to go and collect bribe from Cameroon has nothing to do with us. Bamenda is not for sale. The fact that Sako wants to be a minister in Cameroon, he has the freedom to become a minister in Cameroon. Right. For example, if I go to law school, I can run, I'm a citizen in America, I can run for any office in America. I can get into American politics and become whatever politician I want to become. That is the same way. They can get citizenship in Cameroon and become ministers in Cameroon. But it will not be like trading the blood of our people for that position. So it is okay to go and be whatever you want to be in Cameroon, but you're not going to use our people. You people have used our people enough. Your sister was in jail from collecting money for ransom. Every family has suffered from that project that Sako and Chris Anu brought into Amazonia, collecting money for ransom and torturing our people. Now that the ADN stepped up and said they have to stop this, and they cracked down on all the kidnappers, re-educated some of them who were misdirected, and it's calming down a little for our people to rest. Chris Anu again and his Sako gang, they have reason to come and say indefinite lockdown. Let's examine this indefinite lockdown. Indefinite lockdown means that they are shutting down everywhere for good, meaning that you have malaria, you cannot buy medication. You are sick, you cannot be treated. This is time when people prepare their farms for planting. You cannot have access to farming. So if this indefinite Sakodi do for people, then worse pass. In fact, if they take see what they do, it be 100 times more worse than see what Atangaji do. And Atangaji don't mean a puppet where they use that, they just talk it on and talk. They real people the way they do the dirty work. Now John good day and Sako them. And they do that dirty. Now the people they never do that dirty. Now John them. Now then they inside that their WhatsApp they do all that thing. If they be WhatsApp where they got the quarrel for the how for do not say that they be Keith Lawrence. Now Chris and you already this money lockdown Bamenda indefinitely. You did a lockdown Bamenda indefinitely. Nyankwa. You dress at a no more drawy you are. Kevin give for faith. Then you're missing your dreams and according to what is your life, less of what it is. Pabia has already done We are not going to let imbeciles among us to get up and facilitate his process and make them feel better. So I think that you can stand and say we have won the war in Bamenda. So now the way that one I take and make a new win. This evil must end. This evil must end. Abai, Benny. Abai. Abai. What did we do wrong? Our people then. Our people have suffered enough. Enough is enough. People don't suffer again so. Una go show fight at the land public kill them. Cameroon military don't pass go burn come recently. We now una confusion. Come be there so they be the pass to go burn them. They didn't burn and so una the gain now it's the Christian. Una tell me one thing una the gain. Una don't ever don't say yes say Chris and they be do anything against the Republic. They never ever do anything against Cameroon. No. Though she don't talk say, oh, free much I don't keep 5,000 people army there. Once they will see a picture, they say, no, Cameroon don't discover some way now where they just melt the body there. See, people that lie so for daytime, they can't tell una something una the year. Una listen to those kind of people. You cannot listen to them. The only way we Satan is succeed for tempt people and say it go hide behind good thing tempt people. But you want them, they didn't even do it so. Satan even be shocked, say they did succeed. So they the fear say they can't overtake the kingdom. Because they did go, they can't get on the straight. Christian can kill them all. Christian can if talk all the kinds of if person not really be occultic, if person not really say he don't sell his soul for Satan. Which human being will do the kind of thing for people the way they go through war? You don't get sorry heart for your heart. You take them away say you not even been a pastor. You take her away say you not even been a waiting. You just consider say you be just been a some rascal. Even rascal safe. Even thief man the sorry people. Even thief man the sorry people. You got thief today, thief for your own pot, thief for your own people, thief. Now you don't thief.
I leave am so. Yeah, leave am so, but so woman. Bona nini olinga kayo mama ye. Onga na bada kuti occupé o. Ozalanka kanga motema ngana moko ye. Na some book don't turn just now. This don't more for Anglophone. I don't tell say when I don't put them say Anglophone struggle. Na so struggle na name for poor man. Where has every try go be even carabot, you know go put zinc. Even I not change that name. Now when I say step, take the name, put and say struggle. Continue the struggle 5 years, no solution. Now only when our own brothers and sisters that they die inside the domo. But except so, Chris I know they only one table say lockdown. No. But they talk so they watch the very Cameroon match for your own television. If I lie me transfer me credit for 8.5. If I come on here, if we there, we send it back 500. Other Amba generals of that side for Bamenda, then to the commode say, goes down, no go day. Them say, Domo now, don't change the system. System 2, they change. Now I tell when I say, this program not enough for say me, please you. We only match word with images. Wait till we see I'm not ready inspire we for talk. Because my worst thing now when I lost my brother or my sister. People they don't lost families for this Anglophone crisis. Some people they don't confuse. People they rich people they don't just turn on beggars. Business people they for Bamenda they don't the work on our foot. Their motor they don't burn them. Their business they don't just confuse, refuse. Mommy they don't confuse. Now we did Douala they see them every day. The one that they beg na money saying they don't turn na crazy people. Man the worker go up and you see some big man the worker go up, go calm down. You give 500, 80 fever, even chop and say what you go chop tomorrow. You will drink water for how long? Amba generals, the thing happen now how no? Lockdown go there, we hear them.
Okay, from Bazonian people, my mommy, my father, today, Wednesday, the 27th January 2021, for Ambaland, ground zero. You want to Bamenda Brigade with some maison. Oh, Papa them no. I will call a Bamenda Brigade. So fly news don't go out for social media. They talk about ghost town. I don't even know when the ghost town need to start. Now we there for ground zero. Now we the pass our order. There is no ghost town. Me any mommy, any parent. We too refuse na pays. The same as on the few our pays. Muna go on our activities them. For that day they say that ghost town, muna go on activities them. And if anybody disturb una for that day, una get into the Bamenda Brigade to solve una problem. Yeah, you do. The Bamenda Brigade is waiting for Issa Bamenda, Mezam. The only ghost town. For now, recognize them. Now Monday. For now, there's no other ghost town till further notice. Mama and my papa them. I beg for everybody. I come out to make this video. I will clarify. I will make una not get no fear. When I get the courage for go out on our activities them. At ground zero, why they so? I don't fear no man. Anybody. We go try to disturb or mommy them, or pa them for that day, or sister them, brother them for that day for the say they say with that people talk saying a ghost town. They will be severely punished. So I thanks everybody.
Kabuka kilibale ya kaluchi na ya kome baplari fale na tele na mango na ndule wana mira pale mastakati kaye peti kapendana utwa azalupemba azakiboba bachache bamiake bayama moto influence ya kudeye. Except so you know, and all over there, more confessions they come down. When show say thing that they happen for Don Timbi, people that they hide them. When they don't turn at the one way they like boil, when a time for Bossam, Ebenezer Akwanga says, tell we wait, it don't happen for ground. The zero, wait for last fight, you say must vomit them. Now we start them. Now we go end them. Because we will not know how for Bossam. Affair swift.
It is deplorable. It is unacceptable what some of you people are doing. The number of our young men and women you have slaughtered on the ground. The number. Before Divine died, Divine had 21 wives. Divine, General Divine, 21. People's children. He shot some boys on the legs, took their girlfriends, put them in 21. Divine. I have all the people he killed, the women he lined them and shot them that they should give their witchcraft to him. The men he lined, he killed until he was remaining one man who said, okay, I'll give you my witchcraft. That was the one man that Divine saved. He needed that witchcraft so that he can go around killing people. That is Divine. Divine doing that. It wasn't a republic. He wanted power to dominate and kill people. There is the other way around Jam, he calls himself Ekeko. He disarmed all the other fighters around Jam area. Why? Because he wanted to continue to make resources. He's making resources because he sees himself as partly Ambazonian, partly Nigerian. He is not fully committed to it. I now understand why the Americans will say, if you are not born here, you cannot become the leader of the country. These are the type of things. And then, you guys don't care. Why not that? As long as there is somebody who can sow enough savagery on the ground, he kill young girls, cut their necks because they dance with their buttocks. Because no people have suffered in this struggle like the women. The old ones, Mami Afi, the younger ones, we rape them, we kill them, we do all types of things to them. And then we come online, we justify it. When you do this justification, do you have a kid? You say, oh, they are black legs. Where are your evidence? I remember some of them even told me that, oh, chairman, we don't have a prison for these people. You don't have a prison. Yes, you're right. It is folly, it's stupidity. That is why we cannot hold anybody and tell La Republic that, and tell the International Community of the Red Cross that we are holding 5 La Republic soldiers. We want you to release Tassan Wilfred, Ayok Julius Tabe, Cornelius Quinga, Martin Ekelenge, and this, then we'll release them. Because we don't have an idea. We don't have an idea on how liberation struggles are fought. You don't know that you can exchange prisoners. You will catch your own brother, you say because he is due. You want to show how atrocious you are. You kill him, remove his intestines. You remove body part from him. Then after the war, you go see, you will be able to look at his family. Mosquito tried in Sierra Leone with Fode Sanko. It didn't work. I used to talk about long sleeve, short sleeve. You go to Sierra Leone, you have so many handicapped people. Most of you don't travel, so you don't see these things. What attitude is that? Why are you people trying to mess this struggle I've given my entire life for? This is not why we were fighting in. We created the SYL, which is APLM in 1995. No. This is not the reason why we carry up arms in 1997. This is not the reason why Get Simon Kui died.
Good morning, everyone. When I see a soldier dies because of thuggery, stealing, I feel ashamed. Memory lost, memory wasted. I feel ashamed that brave men and women who risen up to challenge Cameroon have become petty criminals, trying to get food, going around harassing people, begging for food. I do not only feel ashamed, I feel angry. Anger towards such persons more than I even have anger towards La Republique. It's a disgrace. Mandela spent 27 years in jail, never blinked, was forced to do hard labor. Hard labor. The South Africans endured for more than half a century. You have guys who've been fighting for 4 years. They've turned themselves into petty criminals. Instead of being seen as heroes within our communities, instead of being seen as people who protect our civilians, they are being seen as tormentors. Not tormenting, to get things done. Tormenting to eat, to drink. How cheap some of you have become. General Ivo should be frowning and mourning. All those great patriots, Fiango and the others, should be looking at such persons with awe and disdain. It is distasteful, to see soldiers falling because they are harassing the population. You haven't got brains or what? The other day I said I imposed a foreign direct tax on all foreign businesses. People are going around tormenting mothers in the villages, even where they are burying their dead. What is sacrilege? What is sacrilege to the customs and tradition that we hold dear? What has become of some of you?
Abrisere référence service Rufara. Ambiance gogo, tout le monde side. I'm not a team for smile. Yes. Me and this says it's a secret society don't enter inside this Anglophone crisis. Nigeria, they don't enter inside. T people, they don't enter inside. Dealer, they don't enter inside. Witchcraft don't enter inside. Hatred don't enter inside. Business don't enter inside. If you want to see some general, you go sleep another amber for your anus. Yes! You know why here? They say no, now so Baba don't talk, now so Baba in the devil, no Baba in the Lord. Baba in the devil, you don't tell and say no, as a general, you go for the sleep order, you are military them, no even women them, man begin the sleep, man begin. I'm saying that devil now they rule the Anglophone crisis. Let's carry the line up. Who listen up? Oh, I hate so.
Maybe so. Yes. Okay. So okay, you tell my brother I don't understand. So Commander Rambo, we there for court because of allegations and where your soldiers and bring them up.
Yes.
Before one inter go for other issues, we need to start for talk which way he bring me for here today now the most important issue way for tradition and we also be Christian and Muslims. Man no green say man picking could sleep with man picking. None of the laws are no green. So how many picking now you don't sleep with them? You mean say you don't have sexual relationship with man to man, 16 of your soldiers.
Yes, they all make it to the music now that what the no quality this. No, first of all, you are on one, I agree, and I get paid for whatever you do. I'm not you bring them.
Say you must condition of your muxin as he must have sex with these boys and make the muxin work.
Yes, so any person gives me the work for you and you believe for the things I work for you.
Okay, so this man.
Maleli oh Kimbe papa na leli oh Mariwi lili. Now so this soldier they get conditions. Anyone another one go see take your day shift for sleep another man. Them say it is send manure for another man, me the manure generate now for give you anti-gun. Me own to as it penetrate me to give you anti-gun. Ha. General number na so you when I to be there do am, I will bring you back forever. Ask you whether you to be done now kanda with another man or Clovis too for Boya. If you don't now kanda with the other man or other guy the way they don't drop their arms because play una come on fire. Hear confession. They say end time is near. Be you rich, be you poor. We're supposed to be simple. When you be rich man, no say God not give you the money for say because I like you. If choose you for give so I made the share because if you give all man. But some rich people then they way they take say then get program with God say God don't give you the money because want me they remain untouchable. Where God die enough to take them. I thought for una rich people them. Una like una slow volume. We not go die anytime. Anytime. God the only protect person where the share. God the only protect person where the help be for do your work. God not the protect stingy people them. God not the protect killers because God take a lot of time for create human being. We can't destroy for 1 second. When God give you share, not take other man as slaves. Some people want to be patron for life. So when they want to be yes sir for life. Forget for no say the last person where is supposed to welcome you. You pass through you do much. Mutually attendant. And God they protect all mutually attendant. That people they stay. And rich man when they pass for corner mutually no life for look inside because he no get project for it. He no get no program around that place. But God get program for all now. End time is near. But we learn for the share because the more you share, your lifespan is the art. Who's will end today? Be you rich, be you poor, doctor, president, commissioner, commander, everything are vanity. Affair swift.
Those things that in those shapes are human beings. They are now breathless, motionless, useless, lifeless, and senseless. They are now bodies of waste, complete waste. There marks the end of their journey. Beauty queens and first ladies should be there. Professors, models, business tycoons, political juggernauts, oil moguls, popular sportsmen and women should be there. No security details to guard them. No special assistant or else to discharge special assignment for them. No personal secretary to take records of visitors. Pastors, fake prophets, and bishops should be there. Their members are not there to either help them or call them daddy or mommy. Their cars are not with them there. They are not kept in their mansions. They are not with their bank account details, ATM cards, or checkbooks. They are stripped of everything. Their stolen bills are not with them there. They are not putting on their gold wristwatch, necklace, or bangle. They no longer have interest in customized shoes or designer wears. Nothing earthly bothers them again. Visitors are no longer coming. Favor seekers have disappeared. Contract and job seekers have made U-turn. Praise singers have vanished into the thin air. they are now left in the hands of mortuary attendants. Some came there suddenly. Some came there while sleeping. Some came there while in the labor room. Some came there while driving on the road. Some came there while flying in the air. Some came there unplanned. Some came there while in their hotel room. Some came there while being attended to by a qualified medical doctor. Some came there while resting. Some came there while eating in a well-furnished sitting room. Some also came there while taking their bath in the bedroom. Do you know that one day you will be a guest there? Yes, I mean one day. Do you know that one day you will be kept like this? It can be after listening to this message. Where are their clothes, shoes, less abada, all removed. Son of man, think. All we see in the earth is vanity. So do not be deceived by earthly varieties. The beauty of life is Jesus Christ. Without Jesus, life does not worth it.
To Jesus for the cleansing power. Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you fully trusting in His grace this hour? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood, in the soul cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb?
My good friend, dear viewer, Jesus wants to bless you. He wants to beautify your life. He wants to decorate your destiny. If you have not made peace with Him, bow down your head and let us pray.
Papa God for heaven, may we pray no? If you not say a good for you before a good for we the beg say me will leave you down here. You don't talk say me we give you life for Christ. If we give you life for Christ, we will remain empty, Papa God. There with your own life, me we deal with your own life. Mind your business, we mind with business. Papa God for heaven, we know say you like we plenty. And we too will like you for the play where you day. Remember for there your place, leave we for down here because we know say anytime we want visit with Papa God, now we'll take we go. We no one go now because for down here is sweet plenty. Hallelujah. Amen. Will you come out this message now for pass and for rich people them, eh? You ain't no say you get time, you like respect, you wear shoes for 100,000, telephone for 600,000, house for 90,000 for 1 second. Forget end time now for everybody. The highest thing for this life now for live together, now for live in peace, now for smile together, now for eat together. No, nothing, no day. After all, everything for this world and vanity will go live them all. Mutually attend that will move all your clothes to him for outside. Wash you with that strong hand them. Can they say you play with you ever say, hey, this man will watch it them, now that will watch it man will wash you. Slap your attacking bang, slap your chest, kiss yourself because they don't care. So at the end of the day, when you know say one day you will go, you will take this life very soft and easy. The more you high, now sure you will go quick. The more you will flow level everybody, now sure you will leave. So when a high men and high girls them. When I drop down, cool down. When I slow, when I volume. If not, accept my condolence. Ask them what happened where Bamileke boss a jam for that side for Chang Hill. We not feel only blame the boss. We dey blame na corruption for Cameroon. Blame police checkpoint. From Bamenda to that place, that means say control no be there. When you take bus for go Bamenda, control be like say na Nkunkuma the can Bamenda or the can Bafusam. But when the business is pass, na sharp because the people where they transport the petrol and all the business where they come out Bamenda or Douala go that side, they get number for all the commander them, the commissioner them, the inspector the way they give the people that they control, they call say j'ai un camion qui arrive, je vais t'envoyer quelque chose par Momo. Now so when they transfer for Momo, the man just tell Momo division, she don't require it, anything if he pass. Because if normally they will stop the Zwaza for road, it not become so they can jam 70-seater, keep 50-something people them. If Nami, Minister of Defense, are the sacked from the control from Bamenda shot, from side where the camion load petrol can't reach for that chunk. I sack all the police them, sack all the commissioner them, send them to jail. Yes, because the illegal goods will enter. How do pass? How many controls? Then chop for cause damage for another family. Minister for Defense, not be me, I will teach you your job. Minister for Transport, you will say me the sanction agency. You have the sanction agency, they will change name as usual. This one, now for sanction from Bamenda, control from Bamenda or from the side where the petrol come out, sanction those on control and they are commanding them because all they chop together. Now why we illegal good them the pass? We just throw the come back. Now part of camion carry petrol can jam with 70-seater bam. How the petrol do come out now they enquete get for start not be say how they can jam. How petrol work asote from Bamenda can reach that place where they see now. Oh yes called. They say na Kofi Olumide a since called can come on for day. And so all the people with this blame the patron the agency them because the people they over practice too plenty. All agency them me patron they forget. Give their life them to for Christ because sometimes when they blame driver away, patron we don't say the boss plus driver for give a life with all passenger them for different side. You want silver because anything where they born so no be normal. No be normal. 50-something people that die inside bus. You go now if you someone go take head for man begin chasing his sister. If now one man country now they will make and can not say this one a woman now this family. But for Cameroon. They will tell what happened. Joe write name na own na Florence that and when na the Florence when they write time na Joe they inside that happen. Na Justine that and when na Joshua. May you are so rest in perfect fire because we not die for fire. We not be talk say peace with this kind of 16-degree fire. We burn them. No, just be careful. We want enter motor. Bamileke we not too light travel too. Monday we not travel. Tuesday we not travel. Thursday go for Rompo and Mutiage. We not ever go outside. Just like Bamundem, the very thing. Some man say when you are there rich, you don't rich. Sometimes na negligence. The boy the two worker, the woman the two worker. They say true. It don't bat now for Mboko. Cameroon with a small time na Satan go to rule this country. How they feel discover passport them for those being for that side for Yaoundé? Where the passport they come out, they go try for dirty place. Where people don't spend money, so one spend say one so that one a fast. Express passport. So I want to take a normally will pay 70,000. So they pay 200,000, 300,000 for get passport. Passport come out, another man carry them all. How in a Satan they rule some people there for this Mboko. Go through and all for dustbin. I don't know. The other day, a woman, the worker empty, naked for Yaoundé. Best skin at the horn. After I stand again, the break taxi, nakedness. I say, I'm tired. I just tired and I tired. I say, this country, whether or Satan they rule this country, we don't know. We get for the prayer heart individually because they say when you defeat the spirit of distraction, Papa God will hear your talk. Go Yaoundé come back.
Alors, nous sommes ici au lycée de Ngouaekele, la petite barrière du lycée de Ngouaekele à Yaoundé qui jouxte juste l'Assemblée nationale et le lycée Leclerc. Et il y a plein de passeports au sol, on ne sait pas ce qui s'est passé. Plein de passeports valides, il y a plein de passeports valides là. Et qu'est-ce qui s'est passé avec la carte d'un officier de police, oui. Ouvre un peu un passeport là, je vois un peu la carte de validité, n'importe lequel au hasard, tu ouvres, je vais filmer comme ça, tourne-le. Et on voit là par exemple, celui-ci s'appelle comment? Il s'appelle Carigia Marc Grido et on voit très bien que la date d'expiration c'est 2025. Donc le ramasse celui-là par exemple, on regarde le deuxième passeport. Alors ça c'est une dame La date expire en 2025 toujours. Et c'est des passeports qui sont tous valides finalement. Donc c'est une voilà, une cinquantaine ou centaine de passeports, je ne sais plus trop. Voilà pour le voilà. Là c'est un autre passeport, c'est qui là? Dame Pétrale, oui, 2025 toujours. Expiration. Donc au niveau de la poubelle du lycée de Ngwekele, vous voyez, il y a des passeports là. Et donc ce qu'on va faire, c'est que comme je passais juste par hasard là, on va les prendre et puis on va faire, on va les recenser et puis faire une petite publication avec des noms qui seront dessus. Et ceux qui voudront les récupérer viendront les récupérer. Donc les voici.
So na so Mboko don turn now. Man must look out because the speed with Satan don't take am for enter Mboko na prayers. They say salvation is personal. Prayer, one space. You know the only end for the white man don't send war, send sida, no waka. Ebola, no waka. Send can't sick them for Africa, no waka, no reduce the population. Now they don't send a corona, send a by force, and a psychological kind of sick way. When you just start the fear and a fear, you go hospital, na day where corona will take you. More be vigilant. Before corona, one come with the cough, with the sneeze, with nose with the block. All the symptoms, nothing what will be we used to. Chop your normal chop. Get fed for yourself. You live. When you start the fear, they take go hospital, they take go for that word, they like me the number, the act, now the way OMS, you don't arrange the deal. But see when them for update, they don't fit talk. We for don't team, we will try for chukan so that me will open with ear. They don't mess with it, even for school. You just yes, Congo say, on a dit que l'enseignant le corona, begin to go the job now from air before. They don't hear Congo say so one student get corona for downstairs, so those who are in there upstairs, they will for even teacher, they will abandon student them. Plus bodyguard, they will disappear. See this school. You know have Nigeria on the full side. Affair swift. They just hear say corona.
Jesus. See girls. The principal, come on in the blood of Jesus. 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 Go jump, let her go jump. Blood of Jesus. She's choking. She's choking.
All this one are running jettings when a Congo where they just hear say Corona, Mr. Corona, they pass. Now why we even any motorway resemble Corona 2, Corona 1, Carina? I know they for any carry Okoro. You died me Corona 2 or Carina 2. I don't take them. So when I want the ship motor them, we don't wise. Anything Kuru, we know did it. White man don't bring war, civil war for the whole Africa. For reduce, no way, we know the greed die. So normally now we just go for wise individually because white man he want control Africa. He will not look out now white people that go last can't be president for Africa they control because God he not give we sense but give you all things for Africa. But God he not be being a dull man for make white man, make black man, but make sure say me blood it be na one color. For sure say will be one. But white man he not see that side. He come back, but talk say no, they be different. When he come out now for go for another one way, he don't come now. The make woman they confuse fuse. Palava and Njansa don't the short for market now. People want cook chop spices, don't finish off a woman their skin. Only mixing. When you see woman don't wear socks for daytime, inside sun, not just say they don't call it for national team. He don't rub Njansa for food. He want me hot overnight, immediate clear because he get program. When you see woman wey start the rub cream for young age, when you reach 30, 35 years, you call us start the change. You jaw they start the shine. You eye they start the red, they say the smooth banger. Now the oil don't enter inside the skin. And this of Njansa fit give it give young girl they die now. Cancer, when not because of Njansa what they don't over rubber. And for Rom Njansa na one thing, for come over Njansa two, na another one. For Rom Njansa be very easy. For come over Njansa, it be difficult. You see some woman the worker, veins that be na green. You see some woman the don't Njansa so take Njansa don't put in a stretch marks for skin. For commodity they go again, go buy another oil because anything where white man they produce them, it must put something where go destroy you. When it destroy you, now create makes way go still can buy for you. You buy the way fine, still can buy the one way go fight the way bad, it fine for you. white man don't capture we how they change the system change. But same so some Cameroonian too, he discovered the medicine for come from Jansa properly. He didn't have for that side for America. That's why here, me we see they say America, they say they want sign is so they may turn American. Anything we find now white man own. When they war, they push them for Africa. My sister, how did you treat this Njangsatology girls them? Me we here.
Hello everyone, this is LC4. I am the CEO of MAPS LLC. We are based in America. We custom produce spa-grade products for black skin. Contact us today for free consultation. We custom produce according to your skin, according to your environment, and according to the skin tone and skin type that you have. If you're struggling with acne, white patches, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, keloids, stretch marks, green veins, dark knuckles, discolorated feet, we are here to help you have a flawless skin. Remember, you have to celebrate yourself before you celebrate another person. We make you look like a celebrity yourself. Remember, your skin is always the most expensive clothes you put on. So, contact us today through our various social media platforms.
Maps. Woman, they don't get skin all, spoil skin all. You dey get some woman, so you are really bypass, you know if you know say you high. You know recognize me, how go recognize where we come out village should be black. I want to see for Douala it be yellow. You want man know you know how? Only because of Njangsa. Njangsa they make you get stretch marks because Njangsa they chop all your skin. When you chop your skin be in short immune system say the weak. Your skin not fit turn up again. Even your husband says it look you the fear. Your lip they in a different color. Your eyes in a different color. Your skin the first smell like a white man. We don't stay for snow for long. Some will not say for Africa. Njangsa me will say out to Njangsa. Black color. People they envy black color. When I go carry again Njangsa Bonham. And if you want to come over there, you know me I say you follow better treatment as this woman they talk. Just know say every your husband it go carry you back for your family. Say if you marry a different girl, we not send in a different girl. Black color will be black girls them. With black Africans, me will use what you way blacks that they use. If not, one day you go die. You want go hospital? They say me the 5 minutes. They say no. Or when Njangsa don't take you color go. Me we no say oh now for treat your skin you must treat your skin according to black because maintain your color be black buy a minyanga rub am because when you damage your skin with Njangsa for come back normally it's not easy again. So at the time that we sister Ayesen and Kambe girl continue with that very spirit maps. When you come for Cameroon you try to help this get over kwasa. They don't turn color not be even they don't light na light the green now because of Njangsa. So as it day today na Friday feast Martin Amba I say the marriage for Douala for Bonamusa the year Martin Amba baby girl the married baby boy Martin Amba they 13 years the husband they 14 years today all men that get them they don't count down Achu cooking the hot now the lot and also Sikot Juliet then too they don't enter town. I don't know whether Mangum steadily it around that one no feel lot sense. Douala don't flop Martin Amba. We say we go there for see how when they kiss in public. You know say when I married they must kiss in public now. I'll see as time for kissingitis. Now just say I want today in a white man country or we say we for the day. Now so you get for B if you contact me for 6759333648 for anything where you want me we know for this side for my major prime. No hide them. We feel make your publicity, we feel sell your land, we feel sell your motor, we feel sell your wife. We advertise your beauty. Maloko 2 na program where they pass for here for stars them. If you get anything where if you inspire others, Maloko 2 they want a big program where it make sure say me the world you know what you do. You be musician bricklayer you be farmer you get a restaurant we welcome everybody every 2:30 for Maloko na Sunday Faith Tata Toxic and Awilo International Problems Party. We make sure say me we make me this with small village it expand for those who they not be know na so we don't day here today. Happy weekend for some of una not be no say na so Sunday used to hot Sunday again we'll do for 2:30 every day live. You enjoy plenty things them. 6759333648 number WhatsApp number direct line for team where they vex you they find they sweet you we feel communicate for the Desma the only virgin for house, maybe hold on for that side. Now, Baf men, Fungom, it say the salon for that side. Now, womb picking too, it say we did together.
You touch here, you losses. You touch here, you damage. You touch here, you decrease. Araman no. No, you say Boko na Jambo. Never man no, you say Boko na Jambo. Away, you touch here, you losses. You touch here, you damage. You touch here, you decrease. Araman no. Hey, away. Repeat, don't you wait for work. John Massey, like a barefoot man. We sing rapidon corrigé. For work with him as an eyeglass. And I just know, na génération Android. Formula. Cherchez le mot. Jealousy people, then go Congo Sa, you name. Come out for you for nothing. You do good anyhow. Jealousy people, then go Congo Sa, you name. Come out for you for nothing. You do good anyhow. Jealousy people, then go Congo Sa, you name. Come out for you for nothing.